Happy Monday, everybody. This is your mortgage market, and I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage, market fluently. So, doom is good, right? Doom and gloom is good. Well, at least when we're talking about interest rates, and last week was great for interest rates. So, what all happened? And I'm sorry, remember, this is specific to mortgage. So, it's not like I'm happy about the economy doing so crappy. It's not like I'm happy about things falling on their face. It's just specific to mortgages. So, we capture opportunities, right? So jobs, they expected almost 1 million jobs in new creation, fell horribly short of that, almost 750,000 jobs short of that. Unemployment was up, manufacturing failed, was way short. So in every respect, the economy failed last week, even in light of the stimulus, even in light of the COVID. So rates got better. We established a new ceiling. We established a new floor. So today I'm sort of floating. You can see we gained from Friday even, but it's sort of been bouncing around today thus far. But I'm just sort of following that wave for people today, right? I'm gonna lock in and follow that wave over the next couple days. The key report for this week for us to watch though is inflation. The inflation, the number they're looking at is 2%, claiming only 1.7, but it doesn't make sense to me because I don't know if you followed wood prices, metal prices, there's no chips, like everything I've seen is exponential growth in terms of cost. So I truly believe like the rest of the numbers are starting to be reflected more accurately. If we see true inflationary numbers, my feeling, my sentiment, everything I've seen from every industry is far, far, far exceedingly greater than 2%. But I'm super anxious to see the numbers this week. That's the key report. Float, have a blessed week, bless someone else, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.